my name is Leilani Melendez, and I am a homeschool consultant and a homeschool portfolio evaluator, consultant, choice navigator, specifically for the state of Florida. Now, this video, even though I do consultations nationwide, this video is going to be specific to my fellow Floridians. Think of this video as kind of like a guide. I'm going to give you some free resources, I'm going to give you some free links, and at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how you can find me and use me as your evaluator or consultant or choice navigator. Of course, you can check out my website if you want to learn more. Oh, and also I forgot to mention YouTube channel. This stuff is full of free resources for you, and I upload like 3 times a week. So make sure you subscribe so obviously you can see my new content, but also you can go back and look at some of the stuff if you need to review, especially for those portfolio evaluations. So just like I said, a little bit about me. I am a former public and private school teacher. I was in the classroom for 10 years. I resigned because I started having kids and I decided to homeschool them. I have 4 wonderful kids. The youngest has Down syndrome, and the others, some of them are neurodivergent. So I work a lot in my home with unique abilities. I have been working for 13 years at a homeschool educational instructional program. I specifically teach science, and I've been doing it with all ages. Teaching is definitely passion. I've been doing the evaluations for 13 plus years, and I love it. So that's like enough about me. Let me just kind of now walk you through some of these things. Like I said, this is a guide. So the first video and resource I want to share with you is this one right here. Now, these are the laws for the state of Florida. And I've thought about redoing this video, but like in all honesty, you know, the information is there. And it keeps you engaged and it's interesting. So check that video out if you want to know the homeschool laws. They're going to be exactly the same now. Nothing has changed when it comes to the laws. If you have the UA scholarship, these laws apply to you. If you're homeschooling with no scholarship, these laws apply to you. However, if you are homeschooling under the PEP, you are going to fall under another set of laws. So I have another video, which I'm going to place right here, that demystifies both the UA scholarship and the PEP. Anything with Step Up for students, if you need to look at it in depth, find out information, that kind of stuff, I go in depth. I'm familiar with both ends because not only am I a recipient, my kids are recipients, but I am also a provider as well. Some other videos that I do want to share with you is for the families that are doing portfolio evaluations. Now, those can be really stressful at times, especially if it's your first year and you don't know what you're doing and you're nervous about having that certified teacher evaluate you. I made so many videos on little ideas, hacks, tips, tricks, things you can need specifically with special needs. So right up here, also down in the description box below, I'm going to go ahead and put some links to some of those videos. The one for special needs, I'm going to go ahead and pop up right here. And of course, with all of this Florida homeschool stuff, I do have a playlist. You can just binge watch that playlist if you want to get as much information as possible. Like I said, I've been doing this channel for 8+ years, and so you can kind of see me as I go through this journey of homeschooling my kids, creating their portfolio evaluations, things that I've learned from the legal side of things, things that I've learned from the PEP scholarship, from our lobbyist, all the things. I even have an interview with Brenda Dickinson, our former lobbyist for the state of Florida. Our current lobbyist is Jason Crawford. I have not yet interviewed him, which I probably should soon, but I know he's going to be going into session soon, so that one might have to wait until session is over in Tallahassee. And also for fun, I do have a video where I do a Step Up for Students haul, where I show you all the things that I bought with the scholarship, because I've been buying stuff with that scholarship. The best way to learn what you can buy with that scholarship is going through their purchasing guide. And it changes and it updates every year. I also want to put a link to their actual site, the Step Up for Students YouTube channel, because they have a lot of tutorials on there. And so if you're trying to navigate their MS system, you can look at their tutorials. They'll walk you through it, as well as apply. If you're going to be applying for those things, you'll have some tutorials on there. So let me talk about some of the services that I offer if you guys do choose to use me as your portfolio evaluator, consultant. First thing is you'll see a screenshot of my website as is right now, and I have a couple of options there because, you know, I want to make it available what's best for you and your family. And the first one that you're going to see is a 30-minute portfolio evaluation for 1 or 2 students. And these are at a lower price because they're only 30 minutes. And I don't really take more than 2 students. I might take 3. There's actually one family that I could do 3. that I can think of right now in 30 minutes, you know who you are, and just reach out to me. These are going to be more for those families that have been doing these portfolio evaluations with me for years, and all they really do is just get on there, share with me the things, I talk to their kids, and it doesn't take long at all. These are also for the families that like to send me their portfolios through email. When you guys do that, whether it's on a Facebook page, whether it's a link, whether it's however, because you have so many ways that you guys send these portfolios. When you send them to me, I can actually sit down on my downtime and take my time and go through them. And that way we just get on, I say, great job, and I'll talk to your kids, ask them questions, we'll have a conversation, and that's pretty much it. Doesn't take much time at all. Now, I do have options for those of you that really want to sit down and take up that full entire hour. I get it. These are great for first year homeschoolers. These are great for second year homeschoolers. These are great for people that just really want to make sure that they share their portfolio and they get a thorough evaluation and questions that need to be answered, because there are a lot of questions that some of you guys have, and I want to be able to take the time to listen and answer them appropriately and give you as much information as I can. So there are hour-long segments that you can set up, and for one student that's going to be $60, and then for two students that's going to be at the $110 level, which is much cheaper than a homeschool consultant. So you're kind of getting a portfolio and consultant together at a cheaper rate. A lot of that meeting is going to be you guys sharing with me your information. And so it is a little bit less work for me than a homeschool consultation, because with homeschool consultations, actually, you know, I'm going to get to that in a little bit. I want to go ahead and finish with these. When you get to 3 students, it's going to be at $120, and then the 4 students at the hour is $160. Now, if you have 4 students and you want to block off a 2-hour segment, I do raise it up to $180. 5 students, $200, 6 students, $240, and if you have more than 6 kids, we will talk through on some discounts and such. So send me an email, we'll work through it. Even if you have 6 kids and you can't afford the price, reach out to me. So that's it with the portfolio evaluations. Like I said, leave me a comment if you guys have any questions, or actually it's better just to send me a quick email and I'll answer those questions. Now, the reality is if you are doing the PEP scholarship, you will do some testing. And a lot of that on my website, I do have a page where you can look online and find some testing. I do an in-person test. That information is on the ClassSource website, because that's going to be taking place in the Lutz, Tampa area, if you're in that area. And if you want to get informed, you need to go to their website and sign up for the newsletter. And when that option is available to you, which is usually around March, we announce it, you can sign up and do the in-person testing if you have the PEP scholarship option. You can even do it if you have the UA, or if you don't have any scholarships, if you want to take that option for your annual evaluation. And that's explained within the laws video that I shared with you earlier. That's also down in the links. Well, I have the consulting, which, like I said, that's nationwide, and Choice Navigator is specific to the PEP, and the reason I have those separate is because people who Choice Navigate are going to pay through the PEP. People who do consultations will pay through the website. Now back to the portfolios. I didn't talk about the payment. A lot of people ask me these questions because I'm contracted through so many different people. I do not take payment up front. I take payment. A lot of people know how to kind of pay me anyway if you've used me multiple times, but I do take payment when we talk through Zoom. By the way, these are all online through Zoom. If you have a special request where you want to use one specific type of platform, FaceTime, you want to do FaceTime instead of Zoom, just let me know and we can set it up that way. Anyway, so going back to the consultations, like I mentioned before, is a lot of information that we're going to be going back and forth and sharing. Some of you will only need a one-time consultation to get some ideas. Some of you may want to check in with me monthly to kind of get you guys started and moving and going. And I basically answer your questions and give me whatever you need. And that can be anything from, hey, I need help finding curriculum. Hey, I need help setting up the PEP. Hey, I need help with transcripts. I need to understand Florida laws. Like, there's just so many questions you guys can ask me, and whatever you need, I'm going to give to you. And I always give like 100% more than 100%. I go like 120. I try to give a follow-up email with links and all that information for you guys. So those consultations, the prices and everything are online. Choice navigating, everything's online. The other thing I do offer is, I did mention the testing that I do in person, but there is a special test that is out there that is very, very popular with homeschool families, the PEP. And I think I'm going to have to make a video specific to PEP, but if you do want to do PEP, it's a 2-hour block. I sit down and do an oral test with your child, and it covers language arts, it covers phonics, it covers mathematics, comprehension, writing, general knowledge, and spelling. There are so many wonderful things about this test. It is an older test. I think I'm going to make a video specifically about this PEP test so you know what it is and what it goes through and why I like it so much. And when that happens, y'all, I'm going to put it in the playlist. In fact, I think that's going to be one of the next videos I'm going to make. Tons of links down in the description box below if you need to look through them and find exactly what you need. Of course, like I said, the best way to get in touch with me, honestly, is send me an email. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all the things. Yeah, and I hope to see you guys later, maybe through Zoom, maybe through more videos. So take care. Have a wonderful homeschooling year. Bye.